today we are going to learn how we can create one result of every student in Excel.
Okay.
Okay, so first what we have to write the name of the school. So suppose I let me write the subjects first. Okay, so suppose here I will write the name of the students. I'm telling you why I leave those three rows here. I'm telling
Yes.
it because one for name, other for some other headlines. I will write it after some time. Let me first write the headlines. Next is role. Third one is the subject. Like this is first subject is Bengali. So this is a short form. Second is English, and third one is mathematics subject. Fourth one is what? Tell me,
Science.
tell me your subjects.
So life science,
Life science subject and
physical science,
physical science. Then
history,
history subject,
geography,
geography,
so the computer,
computer subject,
and then IC.
IC.
Yes.
Do you have any more subjects?
No.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 subjects I
Answer
get here.
one. Uh, Work education.
So work education subjects. So these 10 total 10 subjects you have.
Yes.
So tell me some names of your friend in your school. So first is you. Second,
So, Aditro,
next,
then Somodip,
DWP or DIP.
DWP.
Okay. So I'm not writing the titles of your friend. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Then Disal,
these are after that.
so Devananda,
Next.
so Deep, and so Pratik.
Okay. So we have some names. So I'm to write here the roles. So what is your role?
So 24,
24. Orithro.
18,
18. Somodi.
34,
34. Bisal.
28,
28.
35,
35.
29,
29.
23.
23. Okay, so how much you get? Suppose I assume. So suppose in Bengali it is 100 out of 100. How much do you want to get in Bengali?
75,
Huh?
75 or 80.
75 or 80. Okay, Orithro, how much you will give him?
So 73,
73. Then Somodi
65,
65. Next Vishal
so 65,
65. Then Devananda
70,
70. Deep
74,
74. Pratik
75,
75. Okay, all of you got good marks. English
85,
85. Next
75,
75.
70,
70.
69.
69.
Devananda will get 68,
68.
73,
73.
it's 81,
81. Next math
so 95,
95.
so 90,
90.
so 80,
80.
and this 85,
85. Devananda
so 86,
86. Deep.
so 82,
Next
and it's 88,
88. Okay, in life science you have to speak fast. You have to speak fast the numbers. Okay, fast.
so
It's
90,
90.
85,
85.
80,
80.
70,
70.
85,
85.
so 90,
90.
and 90,
90.
yes,
Okay, next Physical science,
so 80,
80,
72,
72,
65,
65,
60,
60,
65,
65,
then so 60,
60,
yes, and then 70,
70. Okay, next history,
so 90,
90.
yes,
Okay, next
then 75,
75,
80,
80,
85,
85,
then sir 80,
80,
81,
81,
and then sir 85.
85. So you are getting highest marks in every subject. Okay, next
Then geography 85,
85,
then sir 86,
86. Okay, now you are giving more marks to your friends. Next
so 80,
80,
then sir 7, 8, 79,
79,
then sir 81,
81,
and then 84
84,
and 90.
90. Okay, computer, how much will you give
So
to
in
yourself?
50,
High in 50,
so 41,
41,
then 35,
35,
40,
40,
so 35,
35,
so 36,
36,
so 42,
42,
so 43,
43,
45.
45,
Now I see also in 50,
50. Yes, in 50.
42,
So there are three subjects in 50.
yes,
Okay, I see.
so 49, 42,
42,
42,
42,
40,
40,
41,
41,
43,
43,
44,
44,
43.
43. Next, work education,
So 49,
49,
48,
48,
49,
49,
47,
47,
50,
50,
then so 45,
45,
then 49.
49.
Yes.
Okay, now we will do the total marks. We'll calculate the total marks, then we will calculate the grades.
That's average.
Actually, this will be grade only, and then average. So, do you know how to calculate the total marks?
No.
Yes, you have to put equal sign first.
Okay.
Okay, so there are two ways you can do that. The easy way is if you write here SUM sum and start the bracket, and then you are selecting this box. So I will we will select to the Bengali, from Bengali to the work education,
Yes.
then we need to close the bracket, and if you click enter, then you will get the marks.
Okay.
And then what you will do, you will just select this way. So I'm showing you again this thing, like you will take the cursor to that box, and
Yes.
at the edge of the box, little, I mean at the down left,
Okay.
you see it begins to, I mean it turns to cross sign.
Yes.
When it will turn to cross sign, then you have to click here and you have to drag it below,
Okay.
and what you will see that all the marks will be calculated
Okay.
automatically.
Okay.
It is that easy. So I'm now getting the average marks first because it is very easy. Average marks will calculate on the total marks.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so how we will do the average marks? Do you have any idea how normally we calculate average?
So the total marks and it is divided by the total subjects, number of subjects.
Okay, the total number of subjects we divide it,
Yes.
but all the marks are not equal there.
Yes.
So
So we have,
so what is the actually what are the full marks? You tell me.
I think it is,
Okay, let me let me put the grade and average there, and I need to write here the total, the full marks,
full marks.
total full marks. Then we will get the accurate average. So how many subjects do you have? 100 marks, I think it's 7. So that is 700, sorry, 700 and 350. That
Yes.
means 850 marks total.
Yes.
850 total marks you have. So again
We
I'm
have to
doing
draw,
this. Yes,
drag.
I'm dragging this here. So I got it. So if we calculate like this, like in our calculator, the total marks is 850, right?
Yes.
Not like that. Just wait a minute. You got 700. How much?
32.
732. 32 divided by 800. The full marks 800
So it
equals
is
to, it is 0.91915, and you multiply it with 100, and you get, so what is the average here you get then?
91.5.
91.5. But how you get it, you know, right? You know how you got the marks. So
Yes.
how will get the average here? So we cannot write just average because all the marks are not equal.
Yes.
So it should not be average, it should be the percentage of mark. Percentage, let us calculate the percentage first, then we will do some average thing. Okay, so it is equals to the total marks you got this
Yes.
divided by the full marks is, this is the full marks,
Yes.
and then we are going to put it in the bracket, then we are going to multiply it with 100, enter. So this is it. Why this is less? So
So it may be
how did we get there that much?
two.
So what we did, we just, I think I put there 800 by mistakenly. 372 divided by 850 into, yes, it is true,
Yes.
100. Yes. Okay, sorry, I think we put there 1000. So 86.11 as we know it. Okay, so
Yes.
732 divided by 850 into 100, enter, is 886.11, and we got this percentage here, right?
Yes.
So if we drag it here, this thing, so we are getting all the percentage here.
Oh, this
We
is
will not take that much number, there are some other ways how you can put only the uh, two uh, two rooms after the full stop. You can do it, I'll show you later. But also if you want the average now, the average, there is a formula for average. How will you do it? Like you have to put equal sign, then you have to write av, is average. You got it already.
yes.
Yes, enter. Sorry, ave rage, then I'm going to write here in this box the total marks, enter. What just happened? What is the formula of average? I think it is W. should be this. Enter. So
Okay.
average is 73.2.
Okay.
So what it did, it just take the all numbers from here,
Okay.
all the subjects it takes, and then it divided it by the total subjects
Okay.
automatically. You do not have to do anything,
And we have to
and then
drag.
we will drag it here again, and we will get the average marks for every subjects.
Okay.
Okay. So what it means, it means if we calculate what the average marks you get in every subject, we will ever if you give you the average marks for every subject, we will give you 73.2 marks for every subject.
Okay. Then
But
it
it is not possible because there are three subjects which full marks is
50.
50. So that I told you the average is not possible for this kind of different full marks.
Okay.
So this is one kind of wrong calculation. Okay, I'm telling you
Yes.
one kind of wrong calculation. Now we are going to get the grade. So how we will get the grade, that is equals to, before that we need to calculate the actual percent of grade, how much we want to give. Okay.
Okay.
So if we have to write, if bracket start, that is what grade will be on full marks. So this is the full marks. I select this room,
Okay.
total, sorry, not this room, total marks. Then we will write if it is less than equals to, okay, if this total mark is less than equals to, we need to calculate it.
So here it is calculated.
That is wrong calculation because that's total marks changed.
Okay.
It is 850 now. 850 into how much, what is the what is actually, it is the 30% is a pass marks you told.
Yes. 30%.
If it is 30 into, sorry, by
100.
100, so if it is 255, then, sorry, if it is less than equals to 255, not 255, 254, because 255 is the pass mark,
Yes. Fail.
then it is fail. After that you have to put comma, then again we will write if, then again bracket start and close, the total marks, that is M5 less than equals to, now we will put the marks for C value. To get the C value we need to get the value for B. So how much is value for B, that is total marks is 850.
Yes.
850 into
60.
how much for uh,
Great.
I think 60%. If we get 60%, then we will, if we get less than 60%,
Then
then
it is
it is it is B, it is
B.
B.
And
Yes. And less than 60% is not, yes, it is B, yes, right. So into 60 divided by 100.
5
So if it is 509, then you are getting, how much you are getting C, if it is
C.
less than,
Yes.
comma, again if bracket start close, if the total mark, that is M5, if it is less than equals to 60. Okay, now 850 into 75
divided by 100.
divided by 100, so it is 6.5. It will be 636.5. Am I right? 636, I need to uh, decrease one mark, because else it will be
And then B not
okay.
there.
Then we will get B, right?
B. Yes.
Then again we have to put one comma. Again we will write, if it is M5, just wait a minute, M5, if I forget to put the brackets there, bracket, and another bracket will be here. So how many brackets? One. Yes, it is okay. Now M5, if it is less than equals to,
So it is
now it will be how much? 70 after
90
75, 90%. 850 into 90%
by 100
by
divided by
100. So it is 765.
64.
76. Yes, it will be 764 now. 764. Then what happened? You get
A
A.
and it is
Then
greater
again
than
comma, and again if the M5 is less than equals to
so we have completed
we
A.
have completed A. Okay, no problem. Then you put comma, and we will put A
A
plus.
plus.
Okay, enter.
So we
So
got
this grade is A,
A.
and we are going to drag it from here to that much. So everybody of your friend and you got A grade in exam. None of you got A plus plus. Okay. So but what happened if I increase your marks here? So in you got 75. If I put here 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. In computer you got suppose 45, 45. In this also is this 49. Okay, then what you are getting A plus, and
Okay.
the total marks
769.
has already increased automatically, 769.
Yes.
So you are getting but if any of your friend get low marks, in some case 20, 20, 20, and in the pass mark is 30 na,
Yes.
30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Don't tell your friend, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then there, see here, the marks is C.
C. Yes.
Yes.
And
So
if
and the total marks also decreased here to 70. And if I give him more or less marks, the total marks is still 260, and he is not failed. So now I decrease the marks 10 also, and he failed in the subject.
okay.
So he failed in total marks here. But I this way I can also set the marks for every subject. If you got this marks, if you get this marks, so that you failed, or every subject there I can set the grades in the same way like
Yes.
I did here. So that's it. That's today we learned about this thing. Also you can see the average also decreased here,
Yes.
and percentage also fall down.
Yes, sir. And we have left three column above the result.
Yes, I did not. Why I leave here the columns, I forget to tell you, because we need to write here the name of the school, okay, and some other information. So first what I did, I have to select every column like this, and then I will click the right click here, and from the format cell option
Okay.
I will click format cell, and one dialog box will appear, and from alignment you have to click on the alignment tab. From alignment we have to click on merge cells,
Okay.
okay, and then I will click OK. So every other columns will
Have.
disappear. So I
Yes.
think the select there was some problem. Oh no, it is okay. So now if I write here ABC school, ABC school, okay, and I and see what I'm doing. So if I click here, so it will go at the middle of this. So I'm minimizing the percentage, and you will see it like this. So you can also increase the
Size.
size of the size of the this
Okay.
this is happening. And like the same way, if you want to put some more information like uh,
Mark sheet or
marks or report card or of some other information, if you want to put here, you can do this same way. Okay, suppose you want to you can do this. You can select that much room and click, go to format cells, and just mark,
mark
click on
sheet.
mark cell from align under alignment
Alignment.
tab.
Yes.
Okay, and it will be blank. So whatever you will write here, and also you can do anywhere these things.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for watching this video.